Here we go, Mariah. Here we go. All right, guys, we are here today in San Francisco with Mariah and Jasmine, and they are the foremost professional freestyle skateboarders, the best in the entire universe. Correct?
Entire universe.
They're like, yes, yes, we are. And today, they gave me the challenge to try and teach them a trick they've never learned.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you do a kickflip?
Yeah.
Show me a kickflip.
Ah! Wow.
Okay, good. First try. Nailed it. Okay. Good, good. But that's not a kickflip.
Oh my.
Come on. Back to the roots. Okay, it's been a long time, and I could be doing this completely incorrect. Mike Osterman is going to kill me if I mess this up. He taught me this. Okay, you're going to want your freestyle board for this. So your back foot, put it kind of straight, and then your front foot curl over. Essentially, what you're doing is you're essentially going like this. So we can actually start out, yeah, just like that. Front foot, boom. Don't land primo, we don't want that. We don't want to go into freestyle. Okay, ready? And then you're gonna curl your toe to the side, and you're jumping, essentially your weight's coming from here, straight up, and then really fast, your toes just flicking over. Yep, like that. Only you got too much weight on your right foot. And also, you're left foot forward, so you could go whatever way is more. If I were you, I'd go the other way. Yeah. Does that seem easier or harder?
Harder.
I actually don't know. Maybe it doesn't really matter. Try it whatever way is comfortable. Okay, if I land this right here, then I'm the best. I'm not the best. It's official.
If I land this right here, I'm the best.
Yes, go. Okay.
Whatever. Yay.
Okay, so your foot is like this, and then when you do it, your upper body's gonna rotate like this, which is gonna bring your toe like that, and then it's going like that. Your weight's on the other foot. So watch this. Weight on this one, right? So I fully jump, then flick. Woo! So jump first, then flick.
Okay.
That was it! You got it! Yeah, we got this. That's what I told you. I told you you can do it. I saw your other tricks and I thought, old school kickflip, they got it. I mean, if I can do an old school kickflip, you could do it double. Careful. Yeah. Shinner hazard, watch your ankles, knees and toes. Okay, right here for SF Skater Sisters. Wow, too much flip.
So if you're going forward, then everything you're doing is forward, and you're turning this way. How do you land this way with your foot back here still facing forward?
So it's interesting because you actually are left foot forward. I'm right foot forward. So for me, I'm going from like straight to my normal stance. You see, you're going like from straight to switch, which is fine. You can do that too, but just have to know all your weight's here. And then when you turn, like you can almost even turn before you even jump, and then you're just set up there. Boom.
Okay, that makes a little more sense.
Little more sense, right? So easy, too easy. Right here, let me see if I can actually land one. Not the best, but we'll take it. See, she's putting her weight on the foot and almost like spinning it. Okay, your sequence is just off. So you want to jump first, then flick. You're like almost like flicking and then jump. Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
I think I can get it.
Yeah, I know you can get it. Oh, what's that? What was that? Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. See, now you even feel the motion like it's moving with your feet. It's right underneath you. It looks really good. Yeah.
No, I got the sequence.
Yeah, you got it though. You understand. Jump first, then flip.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it, then both of you got it.
Okay.
Clean, clean. If she lands it right here, she wants 5 push-ups, which I probably
From
can't
both
do,
of us.
so I hope she doesn't land it. Oh!
Why?
Your weight is like almost pushing the board like this. You see? And it's not allowing your foot to be there to do the flip. I think if it'll be a little easier if you get this foot a little in more. Then when you jump, here, do like you taught me, do it with your hands.
Okay.
So have like your one hand like this, right? And then you're gonna jump and then go like that. Yeah, see? Jump. Yeah. They taught me how to do the handboard thing, so now, does that help?
Yeah.
I hope that helps. Yeah, it's close. Oh, what is that? Oh, really, really good. Okay, so.
Kind of, it's easier to flip.
Okay, so when you're, because we skate the same way, right foot
Yeah.
forward. So when your front is like this way, like the front of your body's facing this way, and then when you do the flip, you're gonna turn your shoulders first. That almost automatically turns your foot like that, right?
Yeah.
Then from there, you can go like that.
Okay, let me try that on flat ground.
Yeah, you can also do it without moving. I think yeah.
Just a sequence.
Just a sequence. But okay, remember like you taught me. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what we should do after this? A game of skate.
Ooh, yeah.
That was it! That was it. Stay on there. Bend your knees. Okay. Your shoulders aren't turning. You need to turn your shoulders, upper body first, then flick.
Okay.
It's really fast, but because you're going like this, you're trying to go like this and then turn your legs, but your upper body's like that. Okay, that's good.
I just gotta get the flip with all
Okay,
of
watch
it.
my shoulders, okay? Watch my upper body. I hope it turns.
Okay.
Oh! Let's go! Oh! Well done. You want to land it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it. A what? Yeah. Okay, it's really close.
Yeah, I don't know. I need to
Your
going down too
back
fast.
foot needs to be up first, then the lift.
Okay.
Because right now, your foot's stopping the flick. Your left foot is stopping your right foot flick. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And before you give it that scoop, turn your upper body head and shoulders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you were too close. Do it again.
There, go more back.
Just right there, that's fine. Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Let me just.
Okay, let's see if we can tell from that. Yeah, I think, see how your toe, it's really close though. Look at your back foot right there. You see how the board hit it? It hits your foot right there. So if you get your back foot out of the way, it'll spin better. Because you're
Okay.
stopping it with that foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing happening. I'm hitting it.
The timing is tricky too, right?
Yeah.
Oh! It's right there! Here we go, Mariah. Here we go. Yeah.
Okay. No, don't go back to this.
When you guys are in the Olympics and I'm in the audience with this giant sign, remember me. Oh, what?
So close.
How was it? Oh,
Okay, this
you could have
time.
landed primo, then you could have went to Cooper stance, then you could have done a triple flip out.
Oh my gosh.
Your upper body starts to turn. You could turn more, but watch your back foot right there.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah.
And then look at how high you jump.
Oh my
Look
god.
at that!
Dude, Mom, you should do high jump.
You could do like 4 flips under there, but your back foot is stopping the rotation.
Oh, okay.
So it's just a little timing adjustment. If you, maybe even, so if right here your back knee is bent more, your foot would be out of the way, and then you flip a little bit later.
Okay.
So I think that will help. I think I realize what she's doing, because you guys are freestyle. So when you go to primo, you're used to primoing like this. And she's going into primo with her back foot. She needs to break that habit and just jump straight up, then total flick with the toe. Yeah. Oh!
I need that.
Shut up, Mike Osterman.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh,
The
you got
pressure.
this. Oh my word! Okay, that was it. You got it.
I have to get it now.
You just got to jump your left foot earlier. Earlier with the left foot. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Okay, if you land it right here, we buy you a soda.
Oh. Could change it to candy?
If you land it right here, we buy you a candy. What candy?
I'll figure it out.
She'll figure it out.
Yeah! Yay!
First try,
Yay.
and I am 1 candy down.
Yay!
Very, very well done.
Yay! Yeah!
That was awesome, you learned it.
Yay!
Good job.
Fabulous.
Okay, so where can they follow you guys?
You guys can follow us at SF Skater Sisters on Instagram.
SF Skater Sisters on Instagram, give them a follow. They're learning how to do all the freestyle tricks and all the street tricks and all the transition tricks.
Shout out to Aaron Cairo. Even though this video is like on his channel.
So if you're already
shout
watching,
out.
you're probably already subscribing. If you're not, you better do it. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the absolute best, and have a blast learning how to ride your skateboard just like the SF Skater Sisters. Go give them a follow on Instagram.
Bye.
We'll see you guys in the next one.